now that I know this camera doesn't have a shitty microphone, actually it's pretty good for, it's actually just pretty good for right in front of it. And faraway stuff, well, that's irrelevant. So what do I got today? I have a bag full of junk that, you know, when you just like do work and you leave stuff everywhere. Well, I tend to leave stuff everywhere. So I have one of these shitty things. I agree they're pieces of shit. These, but when you buy them for like $5 or $10 and you just need a couple of bits or a drill, whatever, I'll agree with one per YouTuber. These little drill kit things suck. Yeah. These ones, the DeWalt one, I don't know. I'm still, like, for honestly, most of these bits you're never going to use. I mean, look, I mostly use the square ones. These flat ones look like jackhammer bits. It's going to work. I don't know. They're okay to have. I mean, for the home person who just wants a random bit thing, there's a flat disc. Here's one of these. I think I bought this at Harbor Freight. Not sure. Warrior polycarbide abrasive wheel. Yeah, I was using this to clean tile. Actually worked pretty good. I have a level, square, slightly short drill bit. Just a shorty. You got a cutting disc, which I think I've used on the way here. Flush cutters, which are finally not stuck. What else? The light on here. My light is ugly. I got a weird tan. My electrical wiki, which I was fixing a light switch the other day. You ever get a light switch? It just like breaks inside and it just doesn't want to turn off. That's what it was. Another drill bit, which I got to learn how to sharpen drill bits. Electrical tape, wrap around the light switch. Found another tape measure, which I lost. I had about, I don't know, 2 dozen tape measures, and now I have, I don't know, not even 2 dozen. This is a 4 amp hour battery. I gotta charge that. Another 5 amp hour battery. 4 amp hour battery. Phillips square head, which I think is called, I don't know, Robertson's. These are cool. They'll get electrocuted, all plastic. Sawzall bit. Oh, what's this? What's this? It's my favorite. Vice grip. 5 amp hour battery. Actually, I better put one of these on the charger before I leave. This is a, I don't know, a 0 amp hour battery, I guess. Tile chipper, tooth remover, fingernail cutter. I don't know where the box for these went, but there's a whole bunch of miniature screwdrivers in here. More electrical stuff. Klein tools. Make some of the best damn tools on the planet. Yeah. I'm not an electrician, but I'll tell you one thing. Using these cutters versus a regular cheap-ass ones, man, these things have outlasted all the cheap ones. So yeah, even these flush cutters are Klein tools, which are really awesome. I know some things like flush cutters I could probably buy one of those 10 packs online, use them forever, but this is a Craig jig bit. I don't know why I bought these either. I think I needed something. I bought another set of, I must have a million of these damn things. These little tiny miniature screwdrivers. These ones, little spinny back, they look cool. Throw them in the pile. Another auger bit. Like the noises. Maybe I'll do some, what do you call it? There's a reciprocator bit. These ones, I had a friend of mine, he found them in a box. They're the little tiny, the old school bits there that slide in. Well, I have some old school, what do you call it? Screwdrivers, so he gave me them. Another countersink. Another itty bitty titty old school titty committee bit. Some screws and screws and screws and screws. More screws and more screws. There's some more screws. Like, hey, I don't have enough fucking screws. The Allen key. Yay! Okay, extra long IKEA Allen key. Look at that. I think, I don't know what that's called. I think you Americans use these instead of the square bits. There's another one. Was it Torx? I think it's called, for wood screws. Another red handle. What I like about these old Fuller ones, you know by the red handle that it was always, the green one was a smaller one and there was something else. And I have a bunch of them. They were awesome. And a little mini wrench. That's pretty much what's in the bag. It's all in the bag, man. It's all in the bag. So anyway, if you like my channel, like, subscribe. Tell me how you feel and leave a comment. I got 595 subscribers. Woo, it was 596 this morning, but I assume YouTube killed one of the spammers off. So click all some buttons and enjoy. Thanks for watching.